Have you ever felt the strong urge to be reborn all over again?
We welcome you to Anandalakshmi Ayurveda retreat. The retreat is located near Kovalam, one of the must-see destinations in the world.
We are providing Ayurvedic vegetarian food.
I love the food here. It's so tasty. You have 3 very rich and nourishing meals. You have lots of fruits, amazing juices. It's delicious, it's tasty.
Anandalakshmi is an outstanding place for us.
Every day in the morning with the sunrise, you can do some yoga. I really like the breathing exercises because it calms you down, it refreshes your mind, and it allows you to start a day with a very positive attitude.
Ayurveda is a traditional medical science which has been originated before 5000 BC in India.
We are extending individualistic treatment for each and every guest.
We have weight loss package, we have stress management, post-COVID syndrome management and arthritic condition. We are specialized in psoriasis management. We have special treatment, special preparations, special medicine, special diet for all these conditions.
Anandalakshmi for me is really the place to almost be born newly and to get into a life which is far more enriched, which is far more balanced.
Und ich bin auf jeden Fall total glücklich, hierher gekommen zu sein, und ich kann es auf jeden Fall nur weiterempfehlen.
Dass ich Hände habe, dass ich Füße habe, und das ist etwas sehr, sehr Wunderschönes. Auch die Übungen zeigen mir, dass sich im Laufe der Jahre sehr viel Rost angesetzt hat, den man nach und nach beseitigen kann, und das ist einfach toll.
It's the place of tranquility, relaxation. You can really recharge your batteries, you can enjoy the experience, and I strongly recommend you come.
We look forward for your visit to our retreat soon.
I never believed in rebirth. I never believed in heaven. But now I do, and I have a reason for it.